Some over-the-shoulder sunset action. It's pretty. It's so nice out here today. It's November. It's actually the middle of November. Unseasonably warm. Super awesome. I'm still bundled up though because it's pretty windy today. Hello, Cari Draft here. I am the owner and founder of EcoTrek Fitness. Have been a personal trainer since 2001. I'm an OG. And now I'm a plant-powered nutritional coach as well. Anyway, I love to ride my bike. I love to ride my bike on bike paths. So I seek out loops and out and backs that are 100% bike path or just a teensy bit of road riding, shoulder riding, where there's a bike lane and bike path, mostly bike path. So that's like my jam and my favorite thing to do. So what I want to show you today is the Spoonville connector trail that just opened to the public last week. And it connects the Spoonville trail that goes along M231 over the Grand River, that comes along Leonard Road and into Terra Verde Golf Course and runs alongside of it and then over out, shoots you out by the highway and then takes you over the highway and connects you to the North Bank Trail. So yeah, the bike path is now a complete loop and it's pretty freaking awesome. I guess you can't really see it, but it's gorgeous. So one of the cool things about this little Spoonville connector is there are 4 bridges and they all go over these ravines. There's my favorite one. It looks like a little railroad trestle, which is pretty cool. So I'll take you over there. So, how you get on this is it connects at the North Bank Trail, now goes into Nunica from the west, and right next to the Nunica Post Office is the trailhead where you can park. There's a new parking lot right next to the post office, which is super awesome. There's a little porta potty there, and then I'll show you where it goes. The trail will go from Nunica to the east on the north side of I-96 into Polkton Township, and then it goes from Cari Township to Polkton Township, city of Coopersville, and then it will connect to Muscatella Trail. So that's pretty exciting. I don't know how many years that will take, but it'll be exciting. It's windy today. So this is where the trailhead is in Nunica, right next to the post office. Right there's the post office. And this is the trailhead. You can see the little porta potty over there, and that's where the trail is going to head east. And it's gonna be awesome. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, little bike trail tours, I would appreciate it. Check the links below. We can connect on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and I also included my master list of favorites, which are my affiliate links, and that helps me out too. So thank you for watching. See you again next time.